This is probably the favorite type of question that they like to use for upper and lower bounds. So what you do is you almost ignore what the question is and you just look at what the parameter is. So it's saying to the nearest 0.1, you take whatever that parameter is, 0.1, and you divide it by 2. So it's going to be 0.05. You do this every single time. So now, for the height of this rectangle, let's now find out what the lower bound is. So the lower bound would have this value subtracted from that. So you're going to have, that's going to become 3.15, and the let's do the lower bound of, I'll do the lower bound of height, lower bound of the width. So 4.1 minus 0.05 is going to be 4.05. So that means that the area when it's applying the lower bounds is going to be 3.15 times 4.05, which is going to be 12.7575 meters squared. Let's now do the upper bound for the width. So that's going to be 4.1 add 0.05, so that's going to be 4.15. And let's do the upper bound of the height. So that's going to be 3.25. If you do 4.15 times 3.25, it's going to be 13.4875 meters squared. So that's going to be the area of the upper bound and the area of the lower bound.